As a content creator, you should be working smart, not hard. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to change your aspect ratio from landscape, that is that of YouTube, to that of Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for free. Let's go.
Example 1, click on your Capcut account, then click on new video. Bring in the video you want to change the aspect ratio, then click on add to add the video to the timeline for editing. Now if you have long YouTube videos and you want to repurpose them to short videos, all you need to do is follow the steps I'm about to show you, and this is crucial if you are using the free version of Capcut. So instead of paying for expensive tech, all you need to do is just follow the steps I'm about to show you. Once you have shot your long video or your YouTube video, all you need to do is bring the long video into your Capcut editing app and then locate where you want to repurpose to short. Then scroll over to where you have aspect ratio like you see on the screen. Just click on aspect ratio, then click on the TikTok aspect ratio. I think this will work fine for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Then pinch the screen and zoom in gently like you are seeing on the screen. So you keep on adjusting until you are satisfied with what you have. You can see I now have a short video from my long YouTube video. Instead of shooting another short video, I can just do this to repurpose my long video for my short video. So for the second one, we are going to be using InShot as an example. Click on your InShot video editing app and then click on new. Bring in the video you want to repurpose, just like I did with Capcut. So once the video is in the timeline for editing, I'm just going to take a listen to the video to get where I want to repurpose for short. And this is me taking a listen. You can see, I think I'm just going to go back and repurpose the beginning of this video. So I'm going to also scroll to where I have Canva. I'm going to click on it, then click on this TikTok aspect ratio. I think it will work for all of the social media too. Then pinch and zoom, adjust the video. Just keep pinching, zooming, and adjusting as you want, just like I did with Capcut's video. So you can see, once I'm satisfied with this video, I'm just going to click on done. Okay, so I think I'm good now. I'm just going to click on done. I can see my short video is ready. I do not have to shoot another one. So whether you are using Capcut or you are using InShot, this trick works for both editing app and you don't have to pay to convert to aspect ratio. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.